welcome to this week's 5 Things with the Downtown Denver Partnership. I'm Sharon Alton, Vice President of Downtown Experience, here to bring you the 5 things you need to know from the partnership in downtown Denver this week. So let's get the party started. Number 1, this month we hit a major milestone in the 16th Street Mall reconstruction project. Denver City Council approved 2 key contracts, including the design-build contract with PCL Construction, which paves the way for shovels to hit the ground later this year. We are proud to serve as a project partner alongside RTD and the city, and we're excited for all that's to come for this world-class public space. Stay tuned for the latest updates on this key project. Number 2, calling all downtown businesses. Bank of Colorado is running a scavenger hunt to help drive foot traffic to local businesses throughout the Denver metro area. This scavenger hunt is a fun and safe way that rewards customers with points for shopping and dining in downtown. Do you want to include your business in the scavenger hunt and get free promotion? Learn how at the link below. Number 3, Gates Corporation is celebrating their 110th anniversary. Having originated here, Denver is an important part of the company's DNA, and it shows with their pioneering spirit that emanates through their employees. Gates has been an active member of the Downtown Denver Partnership for nearly 20 years and committed to the growth, diversity, economic viability, and safety of our community. Thank you, Gates, for being a valued partner and demonstrating local support. We are honored to have organizations like you headquartered in downtown Denver. Number 4, let's play ball. Have you been missing Rockies games? The team recently announced that Coors Field will be able to accommodate 21,000 fans starting April 1st. The Rockies work closely with the state and Major League Baseball to welcome back fans safely, and we can't wait to cheer on our home team with you. Number 5, something tasty is coming to downtown Denver. We're thrilled to announce that the partnership is bringing back a Taste of Colorado. But this year, it will be a Taste of Colorado like you've never seen before. In the coming months, we'll be revealing the brand new format for you to experience Colorado's best music, food, drinks, art, and more. And let's be honest, some things that are over 40 years old could use a little or a lot of re-envisioning. So mark your calendars for September 4th through 6th over Labor Day weekend for the all-new reimagined taste experience. And there you have it, 5 things you need to know this week, brought to you by the Downtown Denver Partnership. We hope you have a great week. Be kind to your neighbor, wear a mask, and I challenge you to find one way to explore downtown this week with family or friends.